Here's how to enjoy safe and easy parking with the Parking Assistant in your BMW with Operating System X. The Parking Assistant can automatically park your BMW for you. It takes over the acceleration, braking, and steering to maneuver into and out of parallel and perpendicular spaces. The Parking Assistant scans for parking spaces around and ahead of the car in the background when driving at a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour. Press the Parking Assistant button on your steering wheel to activate the assistance view. The vehicle visualizes the detected cars and parallel and perpendicular parking spaces around the car and automatically suggests the best suited parking space, even the ones in front of the car. Select your desired parking space and the parking direction, reverse or forward. Ready? Press the OK button on the steering wheel or the Start button on the central display. Release the brake and remove your hands from the steering wheel. Your BMW starts parking automatically. Stay attentive. You can use the brake to slow down. Any other input, like accelerating or steering, will interrupt the maneuver. During the maneuver, the camera view is automatically selected to provide optimal support to the driver. This can be changed at any time. Once the maneuver is complete, the transmission will automatically engage P, and you can simply leave the car. When you return, if you parked in a parallel space or pulled forward into a perpendicular spot, once you get back in and shift into reverse, your BMW suggests maneuvering out for you. Tap OK to maneuver out. Enjoy easy parking and continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?